The weights W of similarly shaped snakes are directly proportional to the cube of the length L. The skin area of a snake S is directly proportional to the square of the length L. A boa constrictor is 5 times as long as a rattlesnake. A rattlesnake has 4 square feet of skin. After reading the problem carefully, come up with the general equations for the given information. You should find that the weights of the snake, W, equals the length cubed, and the area of skin is equal to the square of the length of the snake. Also, write out all the extra information given that relates to the measurements of the two snakes. So the boa is 5 times as long as the rattlesnake, and the rattlesnake has 4 square feet of skin.
Yeah, just copy the script.
Wait,
Yeah.
don't you want? Good. Okay.
The only actual value you're given is the square feet of skin of the rattlesnake. So start by plugging that into the equation. Then solve for L. You'll find that the length of the rattlesnake is 2 feet.
Wow, thanks.
Since we have the length of the rattlesnake, we can find the length of the boa because we know that the boa is 5 times as long. So the boa is 10 feet long.
Wow, thanks. Are you trying to?
Then, to find the square feet of skin on the boa constrictor, plug its length into the second equation. You should get 100 square feet of skin.
And there's not even soccer,
Now that you have both lengths of the snakes, plug them into the first equation and solve for the respective weights. The boa should weigh 1,000 pounds and the rattlesnake weighs 8 pounds. Finally, compare their weights by creating a ratio. You can do this by dividing 1,000 by 8. You end up with 125. So the boa is 125 times as much as the rattlesnake. Finally, here are some concepts that are important to know when solving problems similar to this one.